Hi guys, I'm a yakisoba lover and this time I'm gonna show you how to make the best yakisoba ever. Yakisoba is easy to make, right? If you think that way, please watch it to the end. Just knowing a little point will make your usual yakisoba even more delicious. Watch this video and make your usual yakisoba the most delicious yakisoba. Cut 200-gram cabbage into bite-sized pieces. When you heat the cabbage, it gets smaller, so cut it a little larger. Thinly slice the thick veins of the leaves as they are less fiery. It is difficult to cut if it is tall, so crush it by hand. Slice 2 spring onions into 5mm pieces. 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons Worcester sauce, 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Microwave for 1 minute. Heating makes it easier for the sugar to melt. If it is warm, it is okay. The next step is to prepare the noodles. Make a knot in the bag and heat it in the microwave for about 1 minute. Heat frying pan over medium-high heat. Add oil and noodles to brown the noodles. The first point to make delicious yakisoba is heat the noodles in the microwave before frying. This step makes the noodle easier to loosen and prevents them from shredding during the stir-frying process. And it gives the noodles more elasticity and a better texture. And the second point is to fry the noodles thoroughly. Browning the noodles thoroughly brings out the flavor of the noodles, and the noodles will absorb the sauce more easily, making it the best yakisoba. As I explained in other videos, the reaction that turns brown when food is heated is called the Maillard reaction. Maillard reaction is the source of umami. It's not brown yet. So let's bake some more. It is okay when it is browned this much. Turn over and brown the other side as well. After browning, remove the noodles. Next, fry the pork. Lightly salt and pepper. When browned, flip over. Add cabbage, bean sprout, and turn off the heat. Place noodles on top of vegetables. Pour the sauce evenly on the noodles and mix well. After mixing well, heat over high heat. This is the third point. Once the sauce is added, fry over high heat. If you stir fry over high heat while mixing, you will see the noodles sucking the sauce. At the same time, the sauce is heated on the surface of the frying pan, giving a nice aroma. When the sauce is gone, add the spring onions and fry lightly. While frying lightly, you can soften the spiciness and bring out the sweetness without removing the scent of spring onions too much. Topping with green laver and pickled ginger is complete. Itadakimasu. The nice aroma of the sauce is appetizing. The noodles absorb the sauce well and turn a delicious color. Yes, it's delicious. When you eat a bite, you will want to eat another bite. Yakisoba is the best. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.